Today we discuss one important topics related to discontinuity of some function. Okay, we write here sine x, sine 1 by x not equal to 0 and x equal to 0 equal to fx equal to 0, this function. Okay, this function. Then we also talk about that f of 0 plus. Okay, f of 0 plus equal to what? F of 0 plus equal to, we write here sine 1 by h, where h tending to 0 plus. Okay, then h tending to 0 plus means 1 by h tending to plus infinity, and sine plus infinity means here does not exist. Okay, does not exist. So we talk about that f of 0 plus does not exist, and in this way here we talk about f of 0 minus. Okay, that means sine 1 by h here, where h tending to 0 minus. Okay, then 1 by h tending to what? Minus infinity. Okay, then sine of minus infinity does not exist. Okay, so what happened here? We write that f of 0 minus does not exist. Okay, so in this way we talk about that. Here we write neither f of 0 plus or nor f of 0 minus exist. So f has a discontinuity of the second kind at x equal to 0. Okay, so we're going to discussion of another problem. Today we use this sine 1 by x not equal to 0 and 0 x equal to 0. Then we also see that f0 plus and f0 minus does not exist, and so f has a discontinuity of second kind. Okay, we read our portion and going to further discussion of that. Okay, we know about that f of x plus and f of x minus and equal to limit t tending to x f t, this one hold. Then we also call that limit t tending to x if t exists. Okay, then limit t tending to x if t exists. Now f is discontinuous at a point, that means f of x plus and f of x minus exist and not equal. Okay, not equal. Then this one then f is discontinuous at x, then this one are first or simple discontinuity. Okay, that means f of x plus and f of x minus exist but not equal or not equal to fx, then simple discontinuity exists. Okay, Otherwise this discontinuity have second kind discontinuity. Okay, so here in this example we see that this one are one second kind discontinuous function. Okay, now we going to discussion another problem related to that topics. So we talk about here, if x equal to 1, x belongs to rational, and 0, x does not belongs to Q. Okay, that means x is irrational. Then what happened? Then we also see that here that means and every point x, f of x plus, okay, f of x plus and f of x minus, these two are not exist. Okay, that means here f of x plus, if x belongs to Q, then x plus means here also one irrational number or irrational point exists. Okay, so in x plus this one are 0, otherwise this one also 1, so we can't then satisfying if x plus equal to 1 or 0. Okay, so this one is not exist, and here if x minus also not exist, so we write that does not exist. Okay, in this way, so we would call it, that means if has a discontinuity of second kind, if has a discontinuity of second kind, okay, at every point x, at every point x. So today I'll stop here. If you get this type of video, please subscribe my channel, follow my channel, and see this video regularly. Click on like options. Okay, thank you.